feel that, John? The day is finally ending. The work is done, the emails are sent, and it's time to breathe again.
Ah, yes, Mary. That beautiful moment when you take off your shoes and just let go. You know what I mean, right?
Oh, absolutely. Friends, today's episode is all about that peaceful time, your evening routine after work. How to slow down, recharge, and relax, all while improving your English.
That's right. So sit back, make yourself a cup of tea, or lie down on your cozy couch, and let's unwind together.
And hey, before we start, don't forget to follow or subscribe to Mr. Fluent Podcast so you never miss these relaxing English conversations.
Okay, imagine this. You just got home from work, your bag drops to the floor, you take a deep breath, and say softly, "Finally, I'm home."
That's such a good feeling. Friends, repeat with me slowly. Finally, I'm home. You can almost feel your shoulders relaxing, right?
Yes, exactly. Now tell me, Mary, what's the first thing you do after coming home?
For me, I change into my comfy clothes right away. Loose t-shirt, soft pajamas, that's my step one of evening relaxation.
Same here. Because the moment you change clothes, your body knows. It's time to rest. Friends, you can say, "I changed into something comfortable."
Perfect. Try saying it again slowly. I changed into something comfortable. Beautiful. Next, I make myself a warm drink. Sometimes it's tea, sometimes it's hot chocolate. Something that helps me slow down and relax.
Yes, that's my favorite part too. The sound of water boiling, the gentle smell of tea leaves. It's like a small evening ritual. You can say, "I made myself a cup of tea to relax."
Lovely. Friends, repeat that slowly. I made myself a cup of tea to relax. You see, just saying it feels calm.
Yes, that's everyday English that feels like peace.
After tea, I like to disconnect for a while. No emails, no notifications, just me time.
That's so important. Our minds need to rest, not just our bodies. You can say, "I switched off my phone and relaxed."
Or, I listen to music to calm my mind. Friends, say it with us, slowly.
That's how you make English sound natural. You're not just learning, you're living the language.
Another way to unwind after work is to talk to someone you love. Maybe a friend, a family member, or even your pet.
Yes, I always talk to my dog. He doesn't answer, but he listens better than most people.
That's so true. You can say, I called my friend to talk about my day, or I spent time with my family.
Even a short chat can make your evening feel lighter and warmer.
Before bed, I like to stretch or meditate for a few minutes. Just breathing slowly and letting the day go. You can say, I did some stretching to relax my body.
Or, "I meditated before going to bed." That's how we tell our minds it's okay to stop thinking now.
Yes, and when you finally lie down, you can whisper, I did my best today. That's the most peaceful English sentence ever.
Let's review what we learned today. Some everyday English sentences for your evening routine.
Finally, I'm home. I changed into something comfortable. I made myself a cup of tea to relax. I switched off my phone and relaxed. I did some stretching to relax my body. John, I just love this time of day. The world outside gets quiet and everything feels peaceful.
Yes, Mary. That golden hour when the sun fades and your home starts to glow with soft light. It's like the world is whispering, slow down.
Exactly. And after work, it's not just about resting, it's also about taking care of yourself.
Ah, dinner. My favorite part of the evening. After a long day, I love cooking something simple and warm. You can say, I cooked dinner for myself. Or, I made a light meal to end the day.
That's lovely. Friends, try saying it slowly. I made a light meal to end the day. See? You can almost taste the calm in those words.
I usually go for soup or vegetables, something easy. No stress, no rush. It's my moment to enjoy the small things.
And sometimes I even light a candle on the table. It makes dinner feel special. You can say, I had a peaceful dinner by candlelight. So simple, but so warm.
After dinner, I like to take a shower. It washes away the whole day, not just the dust, but the tiredness, the thoughts, the rush. You can say, I took a relaxing shower.
Yes, water has a way of calming us. Friends, repeat with me slowly. I took a relaxing shower. Beautiful.
And sometimes I'll put on a little lotion, just to feel fresh and cared for. You can also say, I pampered myself.
Aw, I love that word, pampered. It means you're showing kindness to yourself, and that's something we all need after a long day. You can say, I pampered myself after work.
Exactly. You don't need a spa, just a few quiet minutes for yourself.
After that, I like to take my journal and write down something good from the day. Even one small thing, like I finished my project, or I had a nice lunch. You can say, I wrote in my journal before bed.
That's such a powerful habit. It helps you remember the good, even on busy days. Friends, repeat this slowly. I wrote about my day in my journal.
And you can also write one sentence of gratitude, something you're thankful for. Like, I'm thankful for my health, or I'm thankful for my friends.
That's right. And saying it aloud can make it even more meaningful. Try whispering softly right now, I'm thankful for today.
Beautiful. Gratitude makes your heart lighter and your English practice more emotional, more real.
Mary, do you know what helps me relax? Keeping my space clean and calm. Before bed, I always tidy up my desk and fold my blanket.
Ah, yes. A tidy space really changes how you feel inside. You can say, I cleaned my room to feel peaceful. Friends, try saying that slowly.
Or, I organized my desk before sleeping. Even these small actions tell your brain the day is complete.
Exactly. It's not just cleaning, it's creating peace.
Before bed, I like to plan a little for tomorrow. Nothing heavy, just writing a few tasks. It helps me wake up clear and ready. You can say, I prepared my things for tomorrow.
Friends, repeat with me slowly. I prepared my things for tomorrow. Wonderful. Even small preparation brings big calm.
I also check the weather so I know what to wear. It's funny how these tiny habits make mornings easier.
Yes, and when everything is ready, you can finally let go. Close your eyes and feel that soft evening peace. John, there's something magical about evenings when everything slows down. The lights are dim, the air is cool, and you can finally breathe.
Yes, Mary. It's that moment when your body says, hey, It's okay to rest now. You don't have to rush anymore.
Exactly. And this is the best time to do something that feeds your soul.
Sometimes I make a cup of herbal tea, chamomile or mint. The warm smell just melts my stress away. You can say, I made myself a cup of tea to relax.
That sounds lovely. I like to sit by the window, sip slowly, and just listen to the quiet. You can also say, I enjoyed a peaceful cup of tea.
And you know what's funny? Even holding a warm cup makes you feel safe. It's like a small hug in your hands.
Aw, yes. That's such a nice image, a hug in your hands.
After tea, I sometimes read a few pages of a book, something calm and inspiring. You can say, I read before going to bed.
Yes, and if reading feels too heavy after work, you can listen to something gentle, like a story or a podcast. You can say, I listened to something relaxing before sleep.
It's about what you feed your mind at night. Peaceful content helps your thoughts slow down.
Right. Our mind also deserves calm food, just like our body. That's why choosing soft words and positive thoughts before bed matters.
You know, Mary, I like to stretch a little before sleeping. Just a few gentle moves, neck, shoulders, legs. It releases all the tension. You can say, I stretched to relax my body.
That's so good. I sometimes just sit quietly, close my eyes, and breathe. Let's try together, friends. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out softly. That's it.
Feels good, right? You can say, I took deep breaths to calm my mind.
Beautiful. Even 1 minute of deep breathing can change how you feel.
Before I fall asleep, I talk to myself kindly. Not in a strange way, just gentle words like, you did enough today, or it's okay to rest.
I love that. We're so busy being strong all day, but we forget to be kind to ourselves.
Exactly. You can try saying this, friends. I'm proud of myself today. Or, I'm grateful for what I did.
Say it slowly with feeling. I'm grateful for what I did. Feels warm inside, doesn't it? So friends, when your workday ends tonight, take a deep breath, slow down, and relax.
And while you relax, remember to follow Mr. Fluent Podcast for more cozy, real-life English conversations.
Share your evening routine with us in the comments. What do you do to relax after work?
Until next time, stay calm, stay kind, and may your evenings always be peaceful.
Good night, friends, and happy relaxing.